Meeting livestock nutritional requirements is extremely important in maintaining acceptable performance. From a practical standpoint, an optimal nutrition program should ensure adequate intakes of amino acids, carbohydrates, fatty acids, minerals, and vitamins by animals through a supplementation program that corrects deficiencies.
Maintaining an adequate plane of nutrition in cattle or any other livestock for that matter is paramount to the success of the operation. Making sure those animals have the available proteins, vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients that they need for each phase of production ensures optimal performance and ensures the bottom line of the producer.
Formulated to provide essential nutrients deficient in many livestock basal diets, New Generation Supplements provides species-specific products formulated to help address a number of livestock production issues.
New Generation Supplements is a low-moisture block company that produces scientifically proven and research-backed products performing to NRC values, allowing cattlemen or other livestock producers to maintain their livestock at optimal nutritional performance. It was founded in 1997, was purchased by Cars Milling PLC, and they purchased a group called Animal Feed Supplements in the United States. Started out as a singular plant in Poto, Oklahoma. Shortly after that, a location was procured in Belfouche, South Dakota, and by the spring of '98, production had began at both locations. It was in the early days that this group decided to make a commitment to academia and the scientific foundations of nutrition and technology, and this has provided an enormous amount of support for the company and allowed us to really thrive in the current commercial setting.
With 2 state-of-the-art, high-capacity manufacturing plants in Oklahoma and South Dakota, the company serves markets throughout the United States and Canada.
New Generation Supplements patented continuous flow low-moisture block plants begin with the ingredients coming into our facilities. All of our ingredients are sourced from certified suppliers and pre-approved. All of our trucks are certified and wash-out, clean-out, except for those vehicles that are sourced for only our own ingredients. These trucks only haul our products from our procurement location to our final manufacturing plant. All of our plants are HACCP, Safe Food, Safe Feed, and FCI certified. Once the ingredients enter the plant, they enter into a continuous flow system. And this starts with the preheating of the liquid portion of the ingredients, followed by flashing off of the moisture in this. This helps maintain a low moisture product. Following the flashing off of the ingredients, we go into a vacuum process that continues to maintain this low moisture. Following that, we enter a state-of-the-art blender. Once in the blender, our liquid ingredients meet with our dry ingredients. Following this, they go onto a cooling belt. The cooling belt facilitates in dropping the temperature inside this to maintain a uniform crystalline structure, which really aids in the continuity of the feeding and the consistency of the finished product.
These 2 facilities are manufacturing Smart Lick supplements using a new continuous flow patented process.
New Generation Supplements has 2 patents on the manufacturing process. The first one came with the company when it was purchased by Cars. This was a continuous flow block patent. This enabled the plant to begin running and maintain an even production that ensured the uniform mixing of dries and wet ingredients to produce a tub that was consistent from beginning to end without variation between batches. This patent was further improved upon after procurement of animal feed supplements, which brought us our second patent due to the increased productivity and significant improvement in final product.
New Generation Supplements' high-efficient process makes a harder, more consistent, nutrient-dense product that will help today's cattlemen in minimizing their feed costs.
Fairview Angus Ranch is a grass-based seed stock producer in the state of Montana. We test all of our bulls on grass for gain and develop all of our bulls on ground forage in the wintertime, as well as our calves and things after we wean. Once we pull these bulls in off of grass, we develop them on ground forage, and we use the Flax Slick tub as a supplement. And it allows us to develop these bulls in a great fashion for our commercial producers. So by keeping the rumen environment of the same bacteria, once these bulls go to our commercial producers, they in turn don't have to change bacteria within the rumen and can still maintain flesh. And with our grass-based genetics and with the Smart Lick Flax Lick tub, it's a great combination, and it has increased our gains and given us our best results for our ground forage.
New generation supplements products are nutritionally engineered to provide essential nutrients to support reproductive performance and enhance forage utilization.
The ability of the low moisture block tubs provided by new generation supplements allows the farmer or rancher to provide a consistent daily intake of the necessary minerals and vitamins to the animal, minimizing labor costs and consistently supplying that animal with the nutrients it needs.
Another benefit to the Flax Slick tub is actual mineral package that is in the tub itself and really helps us maintain health and eliminate stress in bulls and calves once we wean.
New generation supplements have helped us minimize our wintering costs on our ranch through better utilization of our poor quality forages, our grass, keeps the cattle spread out through the pastures and using areas that they wouldn't normally use without the tubs, and then it helps us be more efficient with other supplements we use on the ranch, and without having to go out and feed hay, we can place the cubs out once a week or every few days and not have to be out there every day with equipment and manpower. New generation's fly control in their supplements has really helped our weaning weights. Since we've been using new generation supplements, our weaning weights have increased 50 pounds over the last 10 years. And one of those factors is the fly control. With the lower fly population, the cows are more content, the calves are more content, and better gains, and they just do better in the summer with the fly control.
New generation's ties to academia and research I see really helping us to advance in technologies, come out with ever improving products that are more cost effective and beneficial to the producer.
Whether it's beef or dairy cattle, sheep, horses, or goats, there's a Smart Lick supplement designed to meet their specific need.